Hello students, in this video I am going to give you some preliminary ideas about metaphysical school of poetry. So today you are going to get some important messages, some important information regarding this topic. So now the first thing you should understand its period. The period of metaphysical poetry is first half of 17th century. First half of the 17th century is also known as Caroline period. That means the rule of Charles I in England. Okay. So now you understand once again the period of the metaphysical poetry is first half of 17th century. That is the period of Charles I in England. Okay. Now the big question is, what is metaphysical poetry? Now you should see, metaphysical poetry deals with nature of existence, truth and knowledge, science of being, science which investigate the first principles of nature and thoughts. So that is the basic definition of metaphysical poetry. Now you should know about the important poets of this school of poetry. They are John Donne. Remember, John Donne is the first poet who was first called as a metaphysical poet. He can be called the champion of metaphysical poets. Then many others followed him. So John Donne, then Abraham Cowley, he has also some important place in the history of English literature and in the history of metaphysical poetry. Then George Herbert, Henry Vaughan, Andrew Marvell. So these are some important poets of metaphysical school of poetry. Now, another important thing is the characteristics of metaphysical poetry. So it has some outstanding characteristics which must be concerned with. The first is, metaphysical poetry is a revolt against the emotional poetry of the Elizabethans. Remember, Elizabethans were the predecessors of the metaphysicals. So, in Elizabethan periods, there was emotional type of poetry. Metaphysicals emerged as a revolt of of Elizabethans. Another characteristic is, metaphysical poetry is full of novel thoughts and expressions. You can find novelty in thought and also in expression in metaphysical school of poetry. Then is metaphysical school of poetry is also hyperbolic and affectation, full of affectation. You can find that the poet uses hyperbole. The poet exaggerates, in his poetry. The poet compares his beloved with the sun and also, other things. So, characteristic hyperbole and affectation is the characteristics of metaphysical poetry. Another is, it is highly de-emotionalized style. As I said you, it is against, means it emerged as a revolt of Elizabethans, which was full of emotional type of poetry. So Elizabethan, metaphysical poetry was highly de-emotionalized style of poetry. Then metaphysical poets used far-fetched images in their poetry. It means they have used just like the sun, etc. in their poem. It is also the sun rising is prescribed in part 1 English honors, where you can see the poet is the poet has represented the sun as if the sun has no value. That means it is a far-fetched, the poet has used far-fetched images but in a novel style, novel expression. Another thing is, metaphysical poets were full of, they were intellectual type of persons. They had used their wit. Their poetry is full of, sensibility and intellectualism.